I once feared public speaking, my heart racing at the thought. To conquer this, I joined a local improv group. Each session, I faced unpredictable scenarios, forcing me to think on my feet. This challenging activity built my mental resilience. Over time, I noticed a shift. Speaking in front of others became less daunting. I realized that by embracing discomfort, I grew stronger. Now I tackle challenges head on, knowing they shape me. Remember, stepping out of your comfort zone is where growth happens. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.